How are you today? If you're new here, I'm Lovely of Lovely Budgets HK. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to do our collaboration with 8 different channels, including me. So we call it,
Christmas in July collaboration.
so it's include this channel, which is the KD Clogger Budgets, me. We're having a road to 500 subscribers. Our Simplistic Life, V of Dennis Save, and for road to 1K subscribers, there's a Cheesecake Budgets, Jack, My Girl Budgeting, which is the brain of this collaboration, and Save the Day with Tara and Sue's Budget. So let's move into this board game. So my icon, I will put it there. So before I roll my dice, what I do is I already write down all the icon, all the number here into this. And last time the first week that I rolled one dice, and then my icon is this one. So I just write down every number of the icons. So what we're going to do is I roll the dice in here to determine where for this week, this second week, this is the second week. We have to green roll day 2 for the place and save. So we're looking for a green dice, and then wherever it lands on, the dice with the number of the dice and the green dice. So we need to write down the place. So let's roll this dice. So 2. So my icon is 2, and I rolled 2. So we need to save here. Hold on. Another $2. For me, I will save the number at itself. I will not change, or I will not do other even number because I want to save more for this one, because whatever we save here, I will put it on our Christmas funds. So $2 here, or 2 dice, and we're looking for the green dice, number 2 green dice. So my place is the beach, and you have to write down the beach on the story board. So we have to save $2. $2. But so the total amount of my co-collaborator role is, including mine last week, is 73. I calculate everything. I rewatch everyone's video so that I know how much I need to save for this collaboration. So the icons, the total icons from 1 to 8, if we add it up, it's 36. Let's calculate it. Plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7, plus 8. So it's 36, and the dice rolled, including mine last week, is 37 plus 37. So the total is 73. And what I rolled today is $2. So I added up, plus 2. So the total amount on this challenge is now $75. It is up to you if you want to do like this, or you just want to follow what they're doing, the other even number. But for me, I will just want to save more. So now I got $75 to add for my Christmas fund. So now the ranger go to the beach. It's just a story, Christmas story. The next one who will do the video tomorrow is going to be Amber of Cheesecake Budgets. So every Wednesday she will do it, and for me every Tuesday. And for other, I will put. So thank you for stopping by. This is the end of my video. I hope you find it interesting. So let's just continue scavenging hunt. Bye for now, lovelies, and see you later. Bye. Thank you for coming. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye bye.